everybody, it's Colette with Blessing Craft Therapy with another project. Friends, let's redo this ornament cutout into a beet. I know, it's going to be so much fun. All right, so first I start with some red acrylic paint, and then I just start adding blue. Keep mixing until I get to kind of a purple beet color. Now here we have a cutout from Dollar Tree. It is in the shape of an ornament, but I looked at it and I saw a beet. I know, crazy pants, right? How my brain works. So what you're going to do each side, paint it both sides, right? And make sure to get the edges as well. You might even do 2 coats if it doesn't cover well. And then I actually put some ink on my distressing brush and just distressed it a little bit just to make it look even more like a beet. Look how pretty it is. Now I have some green fabric. I cut them in probably, I want to say maybe 8 inches, and then I fold them in half, put some glue on the top of our ornament and glue those on. And then I took some jute and I just start wrapping the top just to keep those fabric strips in place and, I don't know, make it look beet-like. It's very farmhousey for sure. Listen, I have an obsession with beets. I don't know about you. I cut the end. I did some glue, just a dot of it, made sure that it kind of blended in, and look, now I put a couple of holes in. You could have used the hole originally. I forgot. Yeah, I know. Anyways, look, now you could have stopped there, but look at it. I printed on printable vinyl this graphic that says "Beat It." Now I have this little sign my sis from Berkshire Pickers. She gave me this. It's from Dollar General. It's like $1. I tried to sand off the stuff. You can't do it. So I just painted it black, and I'm using a multi-surface paint. There it is. Let it dry. Here we have our cutout graphic that says "Beat It." Every time I see this, I laugh. I put this on my little sign, and I like to make sure that I use like a ruler or whatever, something flat and straight. My fingers just don't work for this to keep it nice and flat, just to make sure that there are no bubbles. So I did that, and then I used my brayer. You could use a rolling pin, whatever. It's just to make sure that it's really adhered. Next, I'm going to take a X-Acto knife, and I'm just scoring all the way down because that sign had little grooves in it. So we're going to do the same thing for this just to make it look like it's part of the sign, right? So I do both of those. I started to sand some because, you know, I'm a distressed, farmhousey, vintagey kind of gal. Then I put a craft stick because I couldn't find my emery board. If you have an emery board, use it. I couldn't find one. So I'm sanding in between those lines that we cut just to make sure, again, it just makes it look like it's part of that sign, right? Again, I didn't have a emery board, so I had to make do. So then I just take that sign and I just hang it on the top of our other sign. And I did put some glue on the back of that beet sign. Oh yeah, I did distress it too. Of course I did. Glue it, and there you go. Stop it. This makes me giggle like you would not believe. I hung it on my front door. Yeah, I did, because it's hysterical. You don't have to use the beat it part if you don't want to, but look at how fun this is. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.